Looking for an easy way to edit PDFs? Let's get started. First, let's open Google and type thepdffox.com in the search bar. Click on the first result to access the PDF Fox website. Now, navigate to the Convert to PDF section. Next, click on BMP to PDF to start converting your images. You can either click on Choose Files or simply drag and drop your images. Once uploaded, customize your file as needed. Adjust margins, rotate pages, change orientation, or modify the page size. When you're happy with the settings, hit Convert to PDF to process your file. Your conversion is now complete. Click on Download to save your new PDF file.